Welcome to ERIC Payroll Schedule Changes brought to you by Impera Education. Your new schedule is available to review and you will want to have this finalized no later than June 15th, and I'm going to show you the steps in reviewing, editing, and finalizing your new schedule. First, you will open your ERIC homepage and click on Organization Profile. After clicking Organization Profile, go to the Other Details panel at the bottom of your screen. Open the Payroll Schedule tab to see your schedules. In this example, I have 3 pending that I will need to address. So I will start by opening the PERS one to review, edit, and finalize it. To do that, I will need to open the hyperlink under the Schedule ID number to the left. Now I am in the Employer Payroll Schedule Maintenance screen. If you look by my arrow, you can give your schedule a unique name. For example, you may be an employer that has a full-time staff with the same pay date as contractors that you are keeping separated. In this example, I'm going to put in Terry's contracted workers. If you look below, you will see Impera has already populated the schedule based on your past year schedule. In the pay date fields, you can put in a date that is either 5 business days more or 5 business days less than what is in the pay date box you are editing. If you put in a date outside of the 5 business days, this could cause an error. Also, if you change what we have in the holiday pay dates or the pay on fields and click Save, the schedule will regenerate and all pay dates will adjust based on what you specify. If you are an employer that finds you need an additional pay date field, click the Add Pay Date button under the payroll schedule. Once you do that, you will notice a new row at the bottom of your schedule to add your pay date. You can add or remove up to 3 additional pay dates. Added pay dates will populate to the bottom of the schedule and must always be later than the last generated payroll schedule detail. Once you've edited all of your dates, you can click the Save button. And once you click the Save button, you'll notice you'll see a Finalize Schedule button appear. Go ahead and click that. After you finalize, you will get a pop-up box to confirm. You've now finalized your schedule. You may notice there is still a Save button at the top left corner of your screen. We give you the ability to go out and edit a pay date after the fact if you realize what you have isn't correct. Be aware you do have limitations on this feature. For example, if it is June 15th and you are trying to put a pay date of June 17th, you may not be able to change it. In that case, you will want to reach out to employer support at Impera. If you have more than one schedule, go back to your Payroll Schedule tab in Organization Profile and review the other pending schedules to edit and finalize. Once you finalize your schedule for the upcoming fiscal year, when you go back to your employer maintenance screen and you look under the Payroll Schedule tab, you will now notice it's no longer pending. It is now in an active status. If you click on the schedule ID of your active payroll schedule, you can view information about that schedule. Some of the fields you'll see is the reporting status. This field has a link which leads directly to the payroll header the schedule is linked to. The payroll header ID. This is associated with the schedule detail ID. And the pay period information. This gives information about editable pay dates as well as if any of your pay dates fall on a weekend or a holiday. Payroll begin and end dates will be populated in ERIC with the begin and end dates in the header record of each payroll file you submit. The pay date in your file must match the pay date you've confirmed ahead of time. If you manually report or use the copy forward feature, you want to be sure that the pay date in the pending status matches what you enter while doing payroll. Great job. You've now completed your schedule for the upcoming year. If you have questions, please contact Impera support. Toll free, our number is 1-844-304-5452, or if you're in Helena, our number is 444-3994. You can also email us at impera@mt.gov. Thanks.